Greetings everyone, this is Trader Kagiso and I'll be introducing everyone to our latest and most profound bot, which is the SUMARI Bot, the warrior of the markets, one of our latest additions and one of our strongest bots. So the features that come with the SUMARI Bot is that it has an automated stop loss and automated take profit. Unlike the other bots, they don't actually set take profits like the SUMARI Bot, and it has an automated update to it in terms of actually giving us price action and key levels within the market. It doesn't just take trades, it's a very cautious bot. When I say price action, it actually draws trend lines for us and actually identifies the trend for you as the owner of the bot, which you'll actually understand why the bot actually executed the trade the way it did execute the trade. And with an automated stop loss, it trials its own stop loss automatically. As when I say trial, it moves the stop loss towards a point of your direction within the market where you can secure your profits even when the market goes against you. And it's a high risk and high reward bot, whereas if you risk well, you can even earn well with the bot. It's a very cautious bot. It's a bot where it actually relieves stress and you're much more stress-free when using the bot. It just does everything at its peakest and most fullest potential. And it's a bot where you don't need to know a lot about the financial markets. It will just automatically do what it does best, hands-free, and you'll get to learn through its doings.